Up next, we have Allegra Chajinsi Gaza from the Faculty of Health. Allegra is going to tell us about revolutionising bowel cancer detection. Let's look at the cells instead. Good luck, Allegra.
Last year, my best friend told me her mom had been diagnosed with bowel cancer. After experiencing severe cramps and seeing blood in her stool, this diagnosis turned their lives upside down. A few weeks later, my mom came home from work exhausted. Turns out, her boss's husband had bowel cancer surgery complications requiring emergency care, causing my mom to take extra shifts at work. Now, these stories highlight how bowel cancer has affected people I care about. Many of you in this room might have similar stories, including the 15,000 Australians who are diagnosed with bowel cancer every year, making it the second leading cause of cancer-related deaths in this country and third worldwide. Now, there is hope, because if detected early, bowel cancer individuals have a 71% survival rate with treatment, but this drops to only 13% if it's caught late. The best detection method is a colonoscopy, where a professional uses a tube with a light and camera to check for cancerous growths. But this process is invasive, expensive, and can cause complications affecting people's willingness to having a colonoscopy. So in 2006, Australia launched the National Bowel Cancer Screening Program for ages 50 to 74 to reduce the rates of deaths and improve early detection by using tiny samples of stool to detect blood. While this test is effective at ruling out cancer, it often misses actual cancer cases. Moreover, around 96% of those who have a positive cancer test result turn out to not have cancer at all. This has led to many unnecessary medical procedures and low participation rates due to its inaccuracy. Well, crap. How can we fix this then? A more accurate test would help, right? Well, this is where my study comes in. In my research, I am developing a new, non-invasive bowel cancer screening method that still looks at stool, but to look at human cells and not blood. Studies show that around 10 billion cells are shed from the inner lining of your bowel every day, and these cells can be detected in stool. So by preserving, isolating, and analyzing these cells, I aim to more accurately identify normal, precancerous, and cancerous cells under the microscope by using my method with the stool of healthy participants in the first stage of my research and doing the same with the stool of bowel cancer participants in the next stage. My goal is to increase accuracy, boost participation rates, and ultimately replace the current National Bowel Cancer Screening Kit. To sum up, my new screening platform could change how we detect bowel cancer, and my PhD work will help create a commercially available tool that can look at the cells instead for more accurate and reliable results in bowel cancer screening to save lives, save costs, and save time for all of us in our community. Thank you.